Hi guys, this is Nikki, you also know as Faces Trader, and you're watching the Global Market Update. It's December 9, 2020, and you're watching the US Market Update. So let's discuss. Okay, you could see that there were so many winners. Before I begin, please go to Faces Trader. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's just for free. You can just add and follow me on Twitter. My ticker handle is @Faces Trader. And last night it was really I guess like everyone was just so happy. You're gonna see like testimonials such as very strong moves on our liquidity buy call, LQDT. Some of us have call options. Some of us have existing stock positions. OAC was very strong. And you could see that all of our companies have been like just rising all the way. Your AML, your Belly, all your airlines, all your reopening picks, your Shopify's, even your cannabis names, etc. So of course, your Pinduoduo was up $160 last night. And then, of course, yeah, so nothing concentrated. I'll show to you some Awesome 10X testimonials. What they like is that Awesome 10X taught them to make a system wherein, for instance, he is saying that he's very grateful for the Awesome 10X system. It is a dream come true, making money while sleeping. Because his job is to buy, and he just follows the buy orders with proper position sizing. He has about 50 companies from me, and use the system to buy some commodities, cryptocurrencies, and other stocks. And it has been very rewarding. I choose companies with a crash potential of 20% or even 30%, but the upside potential is 100%, 200%, or 300%. I will always remember this, ma'am. Thank you so much. Because remember, I told some clients before that if they're over betting, then you can't sleep at night. An increase makes you think that you're a god. A decrease makes you think you're poor. That should never be a portfolio. That's a gambler. I know it's ironic. I don't chase money. That's why it comes that comes. I just buy when it comes, and I just buy small. End of the day, if you're right, a small position can still really make gargantuan amounts of money, and a small position can only just lose a little money too. So it's really the best. You could see how big can you make, how big money can you make. Actually, this is not updated. This is another Awesome 10X return. You can see that our Unity, we started calling it out at 67 and 77. I think Unity right now is trading at $160. Let me just make sure. Because some of the portfolio snapshots were given to me a day ago. Not really like as actual. Actually, let's go to my watch lists. So my watch lists are also sometimes all of them are actually being already along for the positions. Either way, you could see yes, the sector. It's not really just one sector. It's really a whole lot of sectors, just really just rising, and a lot of winners. Your IPOs, your SPACs, your e-commerce, like practically anything. Not naman anything, but really, really strong companies, really going very, very strong moves as well. Let's see that here's a sample for you while it's loading. Yeah, so while it's loading, just take a look at these types of testimonials. Now, the testimonials are not meant to brag. It's just meant for you to understand that definitely Awesome 10X can really give you outperformance. So Unity Software, we've been bullish here, 67, 77. So this was a client who just kept on averaging up. You could see that the $44,000 cost is now more than 100%. Actually, it's trading at about 160 already. So a gain of about $30,000. What you should realize is that these are diversified, meaning they're just showing to you a few snapshots. You see that like $20,000, $14 is now trading at $40. Actually, switch back, aka charge point is now $40. Your C limited is already $200. Your Spotify is already $340. Take note that the costs are like 20,000 at the pop, 20,000 going 40,000, 50,000. So actually, making Awesome 10X returns is turning at $20,000 to $50,000 or $60,000. Do that for 50 companies. Just think about it. You're hitting $1 million worth of gains. So you might not think that it's impossible, but right now we're actually just showing you that these are real. These are not fake moves. These are true. And you can see that none of these were actually hidden from you. They were even actively shared. So some Awesome 10X testimonials, you may think that you may think that our system is not good for large accounts. Then it's good for large, it's good for small actually. Client handled, this client has $500,000, did a sub account with all the Nikki picks, aka awesome 10x picks. Could see that the account's now doing $920,000, would reach about $1 million already. Each person starts in different journey, but that person's journey comes with their own pace. It comes with their own pace. I'm gonna show you a few more testimonials. 150% gains over in a month or 2 months or 3 months. Does it sound like a scam? Sometimes people think that it sounds like a scam. It's just that it isn't. It is a real thing. Yeah, these are true. It's a stress-free investing mode. Yeah, so yes, made money on FCell, on Laser, on Palantir, on ChargePoint, Grow Generation, Funko, Valdyne LiDAR, Fastly, Xiaopeng Motors, SunPower, Gravity, Loke, aka Danimer Scientific, OAC, aka Andrew Dudum's Hims and Hers, Roche, which is Pure Cycle Technology, Liquidity, Amwell. What platform is this? That platform, guys, is Interactive Brokers. So we are not affiliated with Interactive Brokers. However, I guess like Interactive Brokers will give us a referral link. So actually, I started sharing my referral link yeah, I shared like my referral link. If you want to like subscribe to Awesome 10x, then yeah, you can actually get the subscription from us monthly. It's 1 month is about $40 or 2,000 pesos, and yeah, you can see that there's a lot of money that you could make. Let's take a look at yeah, before I answer maybe your questions, let me just give you a rundown of what has happened, but what I believe are still viable entries actually in the market. So wait. As you can see, there has been so many winners. EH has gone from 14 to 22. Yup, Aqua Bounty went from about $4 to $10. I'm gonna share to you a few things. Yup, this is good. SoftBank shares jumped 7% on buyout debate. These are some awesome 10x picks already that we're just really holding on. So we are our group is really a method of buying while sleeping. So we make money while sleeping. We don't really go in and out. If we like a company, we can just hold on to it. Take note that for Upwork, we like Upwork since $12. Now it's trading at $38. So this was part of the reopening. Actually, it's not the reopening economy. It's about the gig economy, right? It's about the freelance economy. So the buying was here around June, and right now, yeah, just continuous outperformance. I think like what you should all realize is that we are not people who just jump in and then jump out. We're not like that. We actually continue to add more when we like it. So for instance, like FEAC, this was AKA Skills. We were buying this about 10 to 12. Right now it's about $20. Unity is trading at $168. Your SoftBank is 7.5. I've been bullish on these names since 3.5, 4,000 for your SoftBank group. C Limited is now trading at 206. Gravity is trading nearing $200. Nokia, actually, we've made a buy call about $3.30 and $4. So still okay. Not that strong, actually, but it's fine. Part of the 5G play. Bluebird, yep, it's now doing $200. Yeah, so I think like it's very clear that the only way to win is really to buy and buy the companies that you have conviction from. Now, for those who don't know what convictions that you should have, I'll give you a sampler. This is a free idea for you. I'll give you a free idea. Yatsen Global is an IPO. It listed in the market just recently. Last night, it hit from about 15 to 17. We gave a buy call on this one actually. So if you don't have this, you're still not late. You buy it tonight, 17.04. This can go to $20 and more. If I'm wrong, it goes to 15. It's fine. Actually, 17 to 15, all the way to 14, we'll be willing to buy this and buy this name because we think that Yatsen is a 10x company. There are a lot of companies that will be listing in the market soon, and those are the companies that are interesting to be in your portfolio. Yeah, let me see. Maybe I'll discuss what happened with liquidity, LQDT. LQDT reported good numbers actually. So LQDT was up like 40% last night. To be honest, guys, I'm gonna like share to you a preview of how many awesome 10x testimonials. This is not to brag. This is just to give you a sampler that that this is what you're missing out when you're not part of Awesome 10x. I'm gonna share you some snapshots here. Awesome 10x. Well, in a way, you're at part of an Awesome 10x because you're watching the free channel, because I do give a lot of free Friday class picks. These are also daily ideas that I give to you, market streams. Wait up, I'm going to show you a few numbers, guys. Of course, Fastly was $98. We gave a buy at about $65. Wait up. Array, yeah, Array. We've been buying that. $35 is good. If you don't have Array, you can consider Array. Liquidity, yes, we've got that. Laser, yeah, Laser. We were buying GMHI, and so we weren't buying the warrants. Amazing, if you notice, the warrants went from about $2 to $20, a 10x move in a month for Laser, aka GMHI. Your Oak Tree is something that we like. Yes, Oak Tree acquisition, Andrew Dudum. You'll notice that about November 27, we have been buying from about $2 to $2.78 the warrants of OAC. OAC, the stock was a feature November 30, aka Hims and Hers category, healthcare. So just wanted to show to you that, we've got clients like these. Thanks, Nikki, for an early Christmas gift, up 20% in 2 weeks. Amwell, Copin, C Limited, Cloudflare, CrowdStrike, Fastly, ARK Invest, StarPeak, SoftBank, CIIC, Loke, Unity, Square, ChargePoint. You've got clients sharing QuantumScape, Liquidity, FUV, Fastly, Veldine Lighter, Bed Bath & Beyond, Tattooed Chef, TRNE, aka Desktop Metal. Yep. Roku, C Limited, Spotify, ChargePoint, Unity, Veldine LiDAR, so many started just funding and buying last September. Thank you for the guidance. These are my current holdings. I already have RC Moto from 5 to 12. I had a good ride, 200% already. And this is a client from September sharing his up 150% so far from starting August to 150% in about 3 months. That's not the only client. We've got a slew of clients doing that. There's a 50% up client. You could see Laser, Unity, Desktop Metal, Bloom Energy, Qualcomm, Live Oak, aka Danimer Scientific, ChargePoint, Roche, Sumo, that would be the Sumo in London, CleanSpark. So you could see that these were like daily wins of clients who just showed their portfolios. They woke up, they saw that their money was up $7,000 last night, $5,000 last night. Are we kidding? No, these are actual snapshot testimonials. These are just sharing to you that there's just a lot of guidance here. This happened. People don't understand. They're making 100%. They're making, even if you're just starting with just $2,000 to $3,000, this is a client who started with about $3,000. Now it's trading. He has about $6,500. Take a look. Amwell, Agora, Canadian Solar, RC Moto, Laser, Loke, Miniso, Palantir, Roche, ChargePoint, TRNE, Unity, XPEV. So definitely, I think I do not wish to like share. Of course, these are very, very private clients too. But I think the point that they're sharing their testimonials is just for you to understand that there's a lot of money to be made. And I think that, of course, I can't reveal everything. You have to subscribe to www.awesome10x. The 2,000 pesos immaterial, actually, you'll make it within a day. Actually, well, we're not trying to guarantee you, but $40 for investing your knowledge to create long-term wealth. I think that is a very, very cheap price. Hello po, ma'am. Is gold going up? Thank you po. Gold is okay for us, but we're not, are you talking about Barrick Gold? Actually, Barrick Gold is not something that it's okay. Barrick Gold, I don't view this too much. Are you talking about gold prices? Gold prices went from 2,000 to 1,800. I don't think it's a 10x move. I don't think like your 1,800 will become $10,000. But will it go $2,000, 10% up? Yeah, the answer is that. But here, the reason why it's called Awesome 10x is because we don't even talk about 10% with returns. We talk about 100%, 1,000% returns. What are your thoughts on Jumia? Jumia was actually a one-night stand pick of Awesome 10x since $4 and $4.70. At current levels of about $30 to $40, I think that it is too high, and I'm not quite confident at these levels. So actually, I'd say that the big money has been done for Jumia. And actually, my opinion is really to sell even as early as $20. The fact that it's $30 already, I could be wrong that we sold early. but I don't think that it's gonna go higher. I mean, it already went higher, but it's not something that I am willing to sleep well at night from. Good day. Will Fastly be the next LAC, and is Palantir on a double top? Thank you very much for the service. Fastly is not the next LAC. Fastly is compute edge. Fastly is edge computing. It is a leader of its own in the edge computing market. Fastly is a 10x name. To know why, you can go to Awesome 10x to know why. We have a coverage on Fastly. Palantir, we've got a coverage on that. At a certain level, when it's already trading at $28 to $30 for Palantir, I couldn't care less whether it goes to 20 or 40. That's the thing. We entered Palantir very early on at 9 and 10. We were opining to buy. Fastly, we're opining to buy that 65 to 75, even at 80. I think right now it's trading at 98. Actually, we earlier gave a buy on Fastly as early as 36, 38, if you were like with us since May. So I think that I don't call Fastly a double top. I don't call Palantir a double top. Is it extended if you're gonna buy them? It is. You could be late. If you don't have it, you don't have it. If you have it, why sell a winner? Thoughts on Aurora and Albemarle? Okay, Aurora Cannabis in my view is you gotta do a little bit of trading here. Although I think that cannabis will rally as a sector, you still have to understand that Aurora Cannabis at $12 has a resistance. We have opined that the 4 to 12 was gonna have a resistance at 12. So the drop at 6 to 7, we were saying that at 12 you get to sell. Then if you really want to buy Aurora Cannabis, you can wait maybe 9, 10. Not everyone would sell all their Aurora shares at 12. That's the thing. Albemarle continues to go higher. Lithium, part of the electric vehicle wave. Albemarle, we've been opining to buy that since $65 to $75 in Awesome 10X. Right now it's trading at $140. Am I right? I wouldn't buy it here, but I wouldn't sell it. If you have it, then just keep it. Thoughts on Lemonade? Same thing. Lemonade is now trading at $95. Lemonade was a free class pick. You could see that Lemonade was given here for free, given to you 1 hour deep dives at about $48 to $49 to $50 to be bought. Right now it's trading at 98. It's a hold. You want to hold on to your winners. That's why our companies become from 20 companies to 30 companies to 40 companies. Some clients have 60 companies, some clients have 80 companies, because the winners are too big, the returns are so big that it's senseless to sell them. Because the goal of Awesome 10X is to have a 500% or a 1000%, and the only way to get that is to hold your winners, not to sell them. Is CRM at 10X? I think that CRM went from about $10 to $250 to $280. So it's a 30x move in the last 15 years, right? So Salesforce is a 15-year-old IPO company. It's not like the best things ahead for Salesforce is not yet over. Are you asking, is $200 gonna go $2,000? I don't think it's a 10x. I don't think Salesforce is a 10x at 225. But do I think that you'll make money? The answer is yes. Yeah. So I think like the acquisition, Salesforce has been one of the granddaddies of software as a service companies. And there is a lot of reason why Mark Benioff is Mark Benioff. I also like Stuart Butterfield. The answer is that sometimes I don't care if I don't make a 10x. Even if I just make 100%, who cares? For others, maybe 100% is not good enough for them. But for me, I'm okay with 100%. Hi, ma'am. Thoughts on NanoX and C3AI? NanoX, we didn't cover. Medical imaging, etc. X-rays. C3AI, I know that Tom Siebel is a successful billionaire, but I didn't study this as intently. Thoughts on IPOB merger with Open Door? I know that everyone likes Chamath, but so the venture capitalist SPAC guy of Open Door is Chamath Palihapitiya. It has rallied, right? You can see that the Virgin Galactic rallied to $33. These companies are not, to me, it's a personal preference maybe. Personally, I am not a big fan of disrupting the real estate industry. So I could be wrong. So Open Door and Zillow are similar in nature. They both are disrupting how you buy and sell real estate. I think that it's a disruptor. I agree with all those secular trends, but I think that I would prefer other secular companies. That's all. I mean, I don't have any bad feelings with NanoX and C3 AI. I think a lot of people are actually interested to get artificial intelligence, which is C3 AI. C3 AI will compete with Palantir. C3 AI also competes with Snowflake. C3 AI competes with a lot of companies that I already like. So sometimes that's really my problem. I already have a stock in that sector. Very, very strongly, I'd share to you that we've been making some 10x moves on video games, the sector on video games, sectors on wearables, on gardening. I'll show you some companies that I am in the study phase. So study, all right. So curious, this is an important company. I didn't study it yet. Up 354% last night. EHang was up 22%. YQ17 Education Tech was up 24% last night. OZON, up 4%. Novs is just in there farming. Fubo TV, very strong IPO this year, 5%. I think it's already rallied from $13 last month to $30 this month, right? So you can see that there's a lot of winners that you could actually make some money from. But will I share all my winners? The answer is no. You have to do your own Awesome 10X job. Either watch the classes that we make for you. Awesome 10X does those classes. So my only idea for you is Yatsen Global. I'm willing to give that to you for free. But if you really want to know and understand why Yatsen Global is a 10X company, go to Awesome 10X and find it out for yourself. Thank you very much. I just shared the Awesome 10X testimonial so that you know what you're missing out from. However, the thing about it is that you aren't going to miss for the next 5 to 10 years. Whatever you've missed in the last 5 months, the last 10 months is not the end or be all of your financial career. What is your 2021 goal? What is your 2022 goal? If your goal is to make Awesome 10X, subscribe to Awesome 10X, join our Awesome 10X system, go to the www.awesome10x.com, sign in, learn. Because if you don't, we don't really care. Thank you. Bye-bye. Subscribe, like the video. Bye-bye.